Hi everyone, my name is Muskan Arora and I'm a reporter at Markets Group. Today we're at All Singapore 2025 and with me is Sridhar Chityala, the chairman of Vedas Group, the Chityala family office.
Right.
How are you doing?
Wonderful. Thank you. Nice to be here.
You just got off a panel focusing on markets and
Yeah.
market volatility and growth of private markets.
Right.
What are your outlook?
Well, I think the private markets is going to coexist with the public markets, but the valuations that people extracted from the private markets, doesn't matter whether it is private equity or venture capital, in the leading up to the 2020 COVID
Yeah.
and post-COVID, I think we have seen more harmonized and normalized returns, which is not 10x and 20x and so on, but more in the 7 to 12x kind of a range, or even 5x to 12x kind of range, is more, and the money is going towards more traditional businesses with organic growth in profitability and underlying value of the asset to the ecosystem.
Absolutely. And we were having a conversation off the camera and he mentioned that at this point, 80% of venture capital should be written off. Do you want to dig deeper into that?
Well, I think that what I meant by that is if you have done innovation somewhere, 2010 to 2015, and you have deployed capital, and we are in 2025, historically companies kind of mature, evolve, and integrate themselves into the ecosystem as a valuable business innovation within a span of about 7 to 10 years, which means you have either clearly missed the boat or, in terms of your product market fitness, or it has lost relevance to the market. So therefore, and today we have many of these technologies are built on Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. And the world has very clearly moved, and new investments are being directed towards, more next generational high-end technologies, be it in the defense, be it in the supply chains, be it in the quantum computing, be it in the energy sector, and none of the systems that innovated around the 2000 timeline or 2010 to 2015 timeline kind of fit into that model. So this is the rationale for me to say that 80% of these companies will eventually be facing the write-off.
Absolutely. So as one of the top leaders in the market, where are you finding opportunities within the private equity space, especially the secondaries market?
Secondary market, there's plenty of opportunity because the discount is ranging from 30% to 70%. Across all sectors, fintech, healthcare, insurance, education. There's plenty of opportunities in the secondary market where you can pick up good companies at a good market discount. But really, you must have courage and conviction that once you pick up this asset, that you can put a governance structure to extract value and generate growth and profit for your business.
Absolutely. Wonderful chatting with you. Thank you so very much.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
And I enjoyed the conference and the people, and I thank them all for a wonderful event.
Just one last
Thank
question
you.
before you go actually. What kind of trends in the next 5 years, what kind of trends do you see in the
What
market?
kind of trends that I see?
Especially in the private market.
The private market, the trends are going to be, there is a big effort in the rare earths. The reason being almost every major item that is being manufactured has a rare earths component. That's clearly one. The second, I also see a big opportunity in power generation. Okay, because many of these data centers are going to consume large amounts of power. Hasn't been quantified, and you have already seen people like Amazon, Alphabet, even Apple investing in NVIDIA, investing in power generation. So I see big opportunity in the power generation. That's the second area. The third, I think, is defense. I think I mentioned in the panel that close to $8 billion of venture capital has gone in as a date in 2025. So they will be, and defense is going to be opened up starting from United States, access to venture capital and private capital. So I see opportunities in the defense. Just to list 3 areas.
Amazing.
Okay.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you,
It was
thank you.
lovely having you at the conference.
Thank you.